BlackRock Inc. is an American multinational investment company founded in 1988 in Italy as an enterprise risk management and fixed income institutional assets manager. BlackRock is the world's largest asset manager with 11.5 trillion in asset under management as of December 31, 2023, headquartered at 15 Hudson Yard in Manhattan, New York City. BlackRock has 17 offices in 13 countries and clients in 100 countries. BlackRock is the manager of the iShares Group of Exchange Trade Fund, and along with the Vanguard Group and State Street, it is considered to be one of the big three index fund managers. Its Aladdin software keeps track of invest portfolio for many major financial institutions, and its BlackRock Solution Division provides financial risk management services. As of 2023, BlackRock was ranked 229th of the Fortune 500 list of the largest United States corporation by revenue. Company type: public industry investment, founded 1988, 36 years ago. Headquarters Hudson Yard, New York City. Area surveyed worldwide. Key people: Larry Fink, Chairman and CEO; Robert S. Kipto. Service: investment management, asset management, risk management, mutual fund, exchange trade fund, index fund. Revenue: 17.86 billion. Operating income: 6.275 billion 2023. Net income: 5.502 billion 2023. AUM: 11.5 trillion 2023. Total asset: 123.2 billion 2023. Total liquidity: 39.35 billion 2023. Number of employee: 90,800 2023. BlackRock has sought to position itself as an industry leader in environmental, social, and governance (ESG) consideration in investment. The U.S. states of West Virginia, Florida, and Louisiana have divested money away from or refused to do business with the firm because of its ESG policies. BlackRock has been criticized for investing in companies that are involved in fossil fuel, the arms industry, the People's Liberation Army, and human rights violation in China. The company has also faced criticism for its close tie with the Federal Reserve during the COVID-19 pandemic. BlackRock was founded in 1988 by Larry Fink, Robert S. Kipito, Susan Wagner, Barbara Novick, Ben Gulab, Hawk Frater, Ralph, and Kane Anderson to provide institutional clients with asset management services from a risk management perspective. Fink, Kipto, Golub, and Novick had worked together at First Boston, where Fink and his team were pioneered in the mortgage-backed securities market in the United States. During Fink's teenager, he had lost 19 million as head of First Boston. That experience was the motivation to develop what he and the other considered to be excellent risk management and fiduciary practice. In Italy, Fink sought funding for initial operating capital from Peter Peterson of the BlackRock Group, who believed in Fink's vision of a firm devoted to risk management. Peterson called it Blackstone Financial Management in exchange for a 50% stake in the bond business. Blackstone initially gave Fink and his team a 5 million credit line. Within months, the business had turned profitable, and by 1989, the group asset had quadrupled to 2.7 billion. The percent of the stake owned by Blackstone was filled to 40% compared to Filk staff. By 1992, Blackstone had a stake equating to about 36% of the company, and Stephen A. Wiseman and Fink were considering selling share to the business. The firm adopted the name BlackRock and was managing 17 billion in assets by the end of the year. At the end of 1994, BlackRock was managing 53 billion. In 1994, Wiseman and Fink had an internal dispute over method of compensation and equality. Fink wanted to share equality with new heirs to lure talent from bank, unlike Schwarzman, who did not want to further lower Blackstone stake. They agreed to part way, and Schwarzman sold BlackRock, a decision he later called a heroic mistake. In June 1994, Blackstone sold a mortgage securities unit with 23 billion in assets to PNC Financial Services for 240 million. The unit had traded mortgage and other fixed income assets, and during the sales process, the unit changed its name from Blackstone Financial Management to BlackRock Financial Management. Schwarzman remained with Blackstone while Fink became chairman and CEO of BlackRock. On October 1, 1999, BlackRock became a public company, selling shares at 14 each via an initial public offering on the New York Stock Exchange. By the end of 1999, BlackRock was managing 165 billion in assets. BlackRock grew both originally and by acquisition in 2000. Under the direction of Charles Halleck, BlackRock launched BlackRock Solution, its analytical and risk management division. The division grew from the Aladdin system, the enterprise investment system, Green Package, the risk reporting service, PAZ portfolio analytics, and Answer, the interactive analysis. In August 2004, BlackRock made its first major acquisition, buying State Street Research and Management Holding Company (SSRM Holding) Inc. from MetLife for 325 million in cash and 15 million in stock. The acquisition increased BlackRock asset under management from 314 billion to 325 billion. The deal included the mutual fund business State Research and Management. In 2005, BlackRock merged with Merrill Lynch Investment Manager Division MLIM in 2006, having PNC ownership and giving Merrill a 49.5% stake in the company. In October 2007, BlackRock acquired the fund business of Qualis Capital Management. In April 2009, BlackRock acquired R3 Capital Management LLC and management of its 1.5 billion fund. In May 2009, BlackRock Solution was renamed by the U.S. Treasury Department to analyze unwind and price to toxic assets that were warned by Bear Stearns, American International Group, Freddie Mac, Morgan Stanley, and other financial firms that were affected in the 2007 to 2008 financial crisis. The Federal Reserve allowed BlackRock to superintend the 113 billion debt settlement to Bear Stearns and American International Group in February 2010 to raise capital needed during the financial crisis. Barclays sold its Barclay Global Investor BZI unit, which include its exchange traded fund business, iShare to BlackRock for 13.5 billion, and Barclay acquired a near 20% stake in BlackRock. On April 1, 2011, BlackRock was added as a component of the S&P 500 stock market index in 2013. Fortune listed BlackRock on its annual list of the world's 15 most admired companies in 2014. BlackRock 4 trillion under management made it the world's biggest asset manager. At the end of 2014, the Sovereign Wealth Fund Institute reported that 65% of BlackRock assets under management were made up of institutional investors. By June 13, 2015, BlackRock had 4.721 trillion of assets under management. On August 26, 2015, BlackRock entered into a definitive agreement to acquire Future Advisory, digital wealth management provider with reported assets under management of 600 million. Under the deal, Future Advisor would operate as a business within BlackRock Solution BRS. BlackRock announced in November 2015 that they would wind down the BlackRock Global Ascent Huge Fund after losses. The Global Ascent Fund had been its only dedicated global macro fund, as BlackRock was better known for its mutual fund and exchange traded fund. At the time, BlackRock managed 51 billion in huge fund, with 20 billion of that in fund of huge fund. In March 2017, BlackRock, after a 6-month review led by Mark Wiseman, initiated a recurating of its 8 billion actively managed fund business, resulting in the departure of 7 portfolio managers and a 25 million charge in the second quarter, replacing certain funds with quantitative investment strategies. By April 2017, iShare business accounted for 1.41 trillion or 26% of BlackRock total asset under management and 37% of BlackRock base fee income. Also in April 2017, BlackRock backed the inclusion of mainland Chinese share in MSCI's global index for the first time. In January 2020, PNC Financial Service sold its stake in BlackRock for 14.4 billion. In March 2020, the Federal Reserve chose BlackRock to manage the corporate bond buying program in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. This also includes the 500 billion primary market corporate credit facility PMCCF and the secondary market corporate credit facility SMCCF, as well as processed by the Federal Reserve of Commercial Mortgage Black Securities CMBS, guaranteed by Government National Mortgage Association Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac. In August 2020, BlackRock received approval from the China Securities Regulatory Commission to set up a mutual fund business in the country. This made BlackRock the first global asset manager to get consent from the Chinese government to start operation in the country. In November 2021, BlackRock lowered its investment in India while increasing investment in India. The firm maintains a dedicated India fund, through which it invests in India startup Byju's, Paytm, and Pine Lab. On December 28, 2022, it was announced that BlackRock and Zelensky had coordinated a role for the company in the reconstruction of Ukraine. This was after BlackRock CEO Larry Fink and Zelensky met over a video conference in September 2022. In April 2023, the company was hired to sell 114 billion in assets of Signature Bank and Silicon Valley Bank after the 2023 United States banking crisis. In June 2023, BlackRock filed an application with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) to launch a spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund ETF, and in November 2023, it filed another application for a spot Ethereum ETF, the spot Bitcoin ETF filing, and 10 others were approved on January 10, 2024. On January 19, 2024, the iShare Bitcoin Trust ETF IBIT was the first spot Bitcoin ETF to reach 1 billion in volume. In July 2023, the company appointed Amin S. Nasir to its board. Nasir, the chief executive officer of Saudi Aramco, the world's largest oil company, will fill BlackRock board vacancy left by Badr Assad in 2024. In August 2023, BlackRock signed an agreement with New Zealand to establish a NZ 2 billion investment fund for solar, wind, green hydrogen, battery storage, and EV charging project as part of its global of reaching 100% renewable energy by 2013. In January 2014, BlackRock announced that it would acquire the investment fund Global Infrastructure Partner. For 12.5 billion, BlackRock agreed to pay 3 billion in cash and 12 million of its own share as part of the deal to buy ZIP. In March 2024, BlackRock launched their first tokenized fund, the BlackRock USD Institutional Digital Liquidity Fund (BUIDL) on Ethereum, which represent investment in US Treasury bill and repo agreement. The fund secured 245 million in assets in the first week. On July 15, 2024, BlackRock removed for circulation an advertisement filmed in 2022 that briefly featured Thomas Mitho Crook, the gunman in the attempted assassination of Donald Trump. The firm expanded its headquarters at 15 Hudson Yard in mid-2024. In 2020, the non-profit American Economic Liberties Project issued a report highlighting the fact that the Big Three asset management firm BlackRock, Vanguard, and State manage over 15 trillion in combined global asset under management, an amount equivalent to more than 3/4 of US gross domestic product. The report called for a structural reform and better regulation of the financial market. In 2021, BlackRock managed over 10 trillion in asset under management, about 40% of the GDP of the United States, nominal 25.34 trillion in 2022. Merger and acquisition. February 10, 2006, Merrill Investment Manager Division MLIM. January 12, 2009, Barclays Global Investor. January 15, 2010, Helix Financial Group. August 25, 2015, Future Advisor. April 2016, Money Market Fund Business of Bank of America. February 1, 2017, Energy Infrastructure Investment Platform of First Reserve Corporation. June 9, 2017, Chess Matrix. January 8, 2018, 10A Beam Capital Partners, September 24, 2018. Asset Management Business of City Benimix, October 5, 2019. eFront, February 1, 2021. Aperios, June 8, 2023. Keros, January 12, 2024. Global Infrastructure Partner. The Norwegian Sovereign Wealth Fund, which held over 5% of BlackRock from 2014 to 2016, has now significantly reduced its stake to less than 2% in March 2018. PNC was BlackRock's largest shareholder with 25% of all shares, but announced in May 2020 that it intended to sell all shares worth $17 billion. Over 80% of BlackRock is owned by institutional investors. The 10 largest shareholders as of June 13, 2024 are listed in the following table. The Vanguard Group 9.08%, BlackRock 7.02%, State Corporation 4.95%. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.